Hey, welcome folks. Another video on the Build to Tech channel. Today, I'll be showing you my latest toy, which is ATS120. Just received it now. So this is a HF receiver with FM radio, FM receiver, not a airband, just from 65 megahertz till 108, I believe. I'll make a detailed video with showing all the features of this, but right now I just want to do an unboxing video. So we have the radio, we have the USB-C cable and a lanyard, a bright fluorescent green lanyard, and nothing much else in the box. Okay, so I'll keep this aside, and let's open up the radio. Brand new radio. Okay, so let me go ahead and peel it off. This is a 2.5-inch screen, so it looks fantastic. And let's look at how does the radio look from outside. Very good metallic finish, looks very good. And okay, then we have the PCB based bottom board with I think 1.5 mm Allen nuts, with option for either a shortwave antenna, which is it's a 2-pin TS, not a TRS, TS plug, with the tip going for the antenna and the sheath going for the ground. And then you can also add a magnetic rod antenna for medium wave, which is again tip and the ground. Okay, you can put it for a ferrite rod with a winding for the medium wave. Okay, I believe I've checked some YouTube videos and I believe it can receive the medium wave with the given telescopic whip. And this telescopic whip is very nice quality. Even the end ones, they're all pretty thick. Okay, nothing flaky. You won't bend it even by accident. It'll hold the normal day-to-day wear very nicely, and it'll collapse nicely. Okay, on the front panel, you've got the LED charge, then earphone FM antenna, and then the main antenna. Plus, you have got the lanyard holes here. I saw, you can see that on the body there is no way to add that fluorescent green lanyard. So I guess you'll have to open this, add it, and put this back. Okay, so this is the USB-C charge. Let me take a USB-C cable and connect it to see how the charge happens. So as you can see, the charge light comes on. Not very bright, but indicative enough that the charge is happening. I'm not sure how to turn on the flashlight yet. Probably it's in the menu. Okay, let's turn on the radio and see how it works. Okay, to turn it on, I guess you'll have to hold this on. It turns on like this. Okay, so this is the antenna. Okay, 612 megahertz. I know I'll have to make cables for the shortwave. I've got enough outside. I've got a multi-band fan dipole, a end-fed, and a UHF, EHF 2-band antenna as well. But I'll have to make this plug, so that will be another video next time. So this is the menu. There is something called next year. Go there. I'll use this. So back info. Info will give you almost everything. Hope you can see. Maybe I don't know if I can change the resolution now. Maybe holding it slightly. Okay. So you can see a lot of information here. And then, okay, I'm back. Setup. You can do FM 64, CKM1. Next, RDS only FM button. Digit backlight. Memo in preset. Retro language. Next, screensaver display light off. Screensaver in minutes, 10 minutes. Vertical screen. Okay. So if I take this off by default, I think it will go like this. Okay, auto scale scanner to see next. Wi-Fi on. Is there a Wi-Fi? I know it's got a Bluetooth, but not sure if it's got a Wi-Fi on. Let me check it out. Bluetooth power, Bluetooth clean, load, reset to factory. Okay, so a lot of options there. Interesting. It's got retro. Okay. Oh, very nice. This is very nice. Very nice. Okay. 893 FM. I think it's got the retro loaded. City. I don't know. It's got Bangalore. No. I'll have to see how we can load a Bangalore from there. That's an interesting option. But Okay, back retro is something I don't like. Okay, you can get a fun. Pretty neat. I don't have much space. There you go. Okay, how do we get stereo now? Okay. Oh, seek. Okay, excellent. Okay, so that's very easy. So let's go to 91.1, is it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, with an external antenna, I think the audio quality will be excellent. That's good. Memo, retro, light. I don't see any light there. Okay, that's fine. We'll come back. Okay, back and then back. Okay, this is the main screen. We are back. So it's saying Bluetooth is on. I'll have to check with my phone how to connect. 88%. Okay, when I click on that, it will toggle between percentage and the voltage. Excellent. Volume is 100%. I think I need to click on this to get the volume down to. Okay, so this is a multi-toggle switch, not just the dial type of a thing, but a push switch as well. Squelch. Okay, you can set the squelch here. So yeah, overall very nice package. I got this from eBay. Very nice. Paid some customs though, but it's okay. Took about 15 days delivery from order to home. That's very nice. So a lot of options here, and looks like a very nice radio just to carry out in the field, just to keep on scanning. And what I've seen is there are custom firmwares available that you can load. First is I need to connect this to my laptop and see what I can see. Custom firmwares I've seen for this where you can update the firmware and get a waterfall as well. That's exciting. But compared to ATS100, I've seen from a friend of mine, and it's got a very small screen. This is good, big screen, and probably the internal chipset, everything is the same, just that the screen is better in this. I wish there was a way to minimize the colors on this. This too janky for my taste, but I'll see if I can update it and get it a much cleaner UI for this. But yeah, okay, this I can enter frequency directly. So 91.1. Okay, so we go to 91.1 megahertz, and yeah, okay, very nice. So this is a quick intro into ATS120. I'll be making a more detailed video for this. Thanks for watching this, and stand by for the next video in this series. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend and see you soon.